Hello everyone, this is teacher Julieta. Welcome to my classroom. On today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to answer questions that have the word like correctly. But before we get started, if you like my content, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Okay, so let's get started. The word like can have many meanings, and the meanings are confusing. So today, I'll teach you 3 different kinds of questions and how to answer them correctly. Okay, so the first kind of question that we have is a question that is about preference. Okay, here we have an example. What do you like to have for lunch? This question is asking me about what do I like. It's asking about my preferences. Okay, so I like to have rice and chicken for lunch. I like to have a healthy lunch. Now, the second kind of question is a question that asks about physical appearance. The physical appearance of people, places, or animals. Here we have an example. What do you look like? What do you look like? Tell me about your physical appearance. Okay, you can say I'm short, I'm young, I'm old, I'm heavy, I'm slim. Okay, and you can also describe your hair or your eyes. So in that case, you need to use the verb have. I have brown eyes. I have short hair. I have long hair. I have big eyes. I have blue eyes. If we have to ask about another person's physical appearance, we need to change the auxiliary verb, right? So what does your mom look like? What does she look like? What does your dog look like? Tell me, do you have a pet? If you have a pet, describe your pet in the comments below. What does your pet look like? Okay, now the third category is about personality and characteristics. So here we have this question. What are you like? What are you like? This means tell me about your personality. What are you like? Okay, so you can answer I'm energetic, I'm positive, I'm introvert, I'm extrovert, I'm quiet, I'm talkative, I'm lazy, I'm hardworking. Okay, so you describe your personality. We can also ask this kind of question to ask about the weather or the food in a particular place. For example, what is the weather like in your country? Tell me about the weather. Describe the weather. Okay, so it's cold, it's hot, it's sunny, it's foggy, it's rainy, it's warm. We can also ask about the food. What is the food like in your country? Tell me, what is the food like in your country? The food in my country is delicious. The food in my country, I can tell you, is the best food in the world. Yes. What is the food like in your country? Write your answer in the comments. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for attending my class. I'll see you next time.